Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix stick drift on your PS5 VR2. First, let's start with basic maintenance for your device. You should thoroughly clean the exterior of your controller, specifically around the joystick base where dust can accumulate. Make sure your controller is fully charged, as low power can sometimes cause unexpected or erratic behavior. Always check for the latest system and controller software updates, as these critical updates often include important performance improvements and bug fixes. Now, let's try a deeper clean of the joystick mechanism. You will need a clean cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol with a concentration of at least 70%. Lightly dampen the swab, then gently clean around the base of the affected joystick, rotating it as you go. This helps remove any hidden debris. Ensure the area completely air dries for at least 5 minutes before use, preventing any moisture damage. If cleaning doesn't fully resolve the issue, recalibration is your next step. Navigate to your PlayStation 5's accessory settings and locate your PS VR2 controller. There, you will find an option to recalibrate its sensors. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions, moving the sticks and pressing buttons as prompted. After completing this process, thoroughly test the controller's responsiveness in a game to observe any improvements. Another effective method involves performing a full controller reset. On the back of your PS VR2 controller, you will find a tiny, recessed button, usually near a screw. Use a straightened paperclip or a similar small, pointed tool to gently press and hold this button for about 5 seconds. After the reset, remember to repair the controller with your PlayStation 5 by connecting it with a USB cable and pressing the PS button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.